So what are essential oils? Well, I am going to super simplify this, but it's probably all you need to know to really understand what an essential oil is and why it is so powerful for us. So essential oils are the aromatic aspect of a plant. So when you walk by a plant or a flower or a tree or a bush and you smell the aroma, that is the essential oil. Now, this is the simplification thing. Essential oils are basically the blood of the plant, meaning they carry nutrients and they carry immune system support for the plant. Okay, and these nutrients, so to speak, or chemical compounds, or the parts and pieces, if you will, of the essential oil, carry all sorts of goodness for the plant. The plant uses it to nourish itself and also to heal itself if a bird comes by and takes a bite out of a leaf or a branch gets broken off. That's what the essential oils are. Now, what's interesting is science now has discovered that these nutrients, these chemical compounds, also support every single system in the human body, or at least there are chemical compounds that support each of the parts of the human body, all the systems, the nervous system, the digestive system, the immune system, you name it, there is some compound found in one or more essential oils that help support it.